Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I solve the LeetCode problems. Today I will try to find the solution of the problem number 501, find mod in binary search tree. Given the root of binary search tree BST with duplicates, return all the mods, the most frequently occurred element in it. If the tree has more than one mod, return them in any order. Assume a BST is defined as follows. The left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys less than or equal to the node's key. The right subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys greater than or equals to the node's key. Both the left and right subtrees must also be binary search tree. Let's try to solve it. I think we can create a dictionary and count number of occurrence of each value in this dictionary. Also, we must count the max number in the separate variable, and in final we will return the values from the dictionary with max number of occurrences. So let's do it. First thing, I'll create a dictionary, and to make it easier I will use function default dict with param int. It will help me increment number of occurrences without any extra conditions. And also I need a variable max count, and by default it's 0. Next I create a function name helper with one parameter is node. In this method I will count occurrences of each value. So increment number of each value, and also update max count. To use max count here, we must mention it as a non-local variable and update max count. So it's maximum of max count and current number. And do it recursively for left and right subtrees. So check if current node have left subtree, call it for it, and the same way for right subtree. And call the function helper for our root. After it, we have a dictionary with field number of occurrences of each elements, each nodes, and we need to return a list of values which occurs as many times as the max count. So we will return I for I in dictionary D for D I equals to max count. So that's it. It's all solution. Let's check the tests. Something wrong? Let's check. No. If else one more typo. Test passed. We can submit it. All good. And that's all solution. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.